Let's talk about real estate math, and let's start with the real problem. And the real problem has nothing to do with math. It has everything to do with what you say out loud to yourself. I hear you say, I'm not good at math. I hate math. I'm probably going to fail the math. I don't like math. I can't do the math. That right there is sabotage. And you are sabotaging yourself because you're training your brain for failure. Stop it. You need to train your brain for success. And if you will change what you say out loud to yourself, you can retrain your brain. You need to say positive things to yourself. So start saying this out loud. I can do math. I can do this. I just need the steps. I can figure this out. Because listen, if you can solve 2 plus 2, that's 4, you can do math. Remember, when the numbers get bigger, the calculator does the math. What's your job? Push the buttons. That's all you got to do. It is not complicated. It is organized thinking. So let's break down some of the math you're actually going to need for the test. Commission math. To calculate the commission, you take the sales price and multiply it times the rate. That's it. So if the house sells for $300,000 and the commission rate is 6%, 300,000 times 6% is $18,000. Break it down further if you need to and get the listing side or the selling side. The core is the same. The loan to value ratio. So the loan amount divided by the property value will give you the loan to value ratio. So if someone pays $180,000 or they borrow $180,000 for a house they pay $200,000 for, it's $180,000 divided by $200,000. That gives you a 90% loan to value ratio. Square footage, area math. The length times the width. So if the length is 10 feet and the width is 12 feet, 10 by 12 is 120 square feet. That is middle school math. And do you see a pattern? All you have to do is multiply or divide. Stay organized. That's it. The trap is not the math. The trap is getting flustered, rushing, being careless, not setting it up correctly. So all you have to do is slow down. Write it down. Push the buttons on the calculator. You are not trying to become a mathematician, nor are you expected to be. You are trying to pick up easy points on a test where a lot of people panic. Don't be a lot of people. Change what you say out loud to yourself. And that, my friend, will be the hardest part. Once you start changing what you say to yourself, then relax and trust the process and let your calculator do the work. And when you see a math question, you're going to smile because you're ready. My name is Kim Stotesbury, and I like to keep it simple, and I am passionate about helping people pass the test. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my 2 playlists that I have created just for you. One's called Pass That Test, and the other playlist is called Study Smarter, Not Harder. And I look forward to your success.